Welcome to the Masterclass. In this video, I have prepared some slides to get a basic understanding of TestMonitor UI elements, such as the project dashboard, using the filters, and customizing your tables. We finished the first three parts of this Masterclass in the previous videos. In the last video, I will focus on using TestMonitor like a pro. Each TestMonitor environment has its own subdomain and database. By entering your subdomain URL in your browser, you'll get to the TestMonitor login screen. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password below the login panel. When single sign-on is enabled, a sign-in button will appear beneath the login panel. Use this button to sign in using your configured SSO provider. After you've been logged in, you will see the project dashboard. In the menu bar, you can see the 6 stages: defining requirements and risks, designing the test suites and test cases, planning the milestones and test runs, performing the tests, tracking the test results, solving issues, and finally, reports. On the right side of the menu, you'll see some extra menu items. First, you'll see the search icon. When clicked, it will expand and show you the project search feature, allowing you to search using the provided keywords through the entire project. Little tip: if you use the / key, you'll activate the project search bar instantly, and you can immediately start typing a search query. By using proper queries, you can quickly navigate through TestMonitor without clicking through the menus. Next to the search bar, you will find the title of the project that's currently set as your default. By clicking on the project title, a drop-down list will appear, showing you all the available projects. A shortcut to the project settings is also provided. Next up is the notification bell. It may be obvious, but this is where you are informed about notifications. For instance, when you have been assigned to a test run, or when you are mentioned in an issue. For admin users, Settings icon is next. This will bring you to the Application Settings menu of TestMonitor. In the Application Settings, you can manage projects and users, for example. Finally, we wrap up with our main menu with the Profile menu. When you click your avatar, you'll get a drop-down menu that will bring you to your account settings. Your personal account settings allow you to change your name, email address, language preference, and 2FA settings. On the right side of your screen, we see a gift symbol. This symbol indicates with a notification if there are new gifts present. When you click on the gift, you will see important updates from us. These include new features, product improvements, or maintenance alerts. All updates are available when you scroll down. And then, last thing on our dashboard page is the question button. This is another gateway to a lot of useful information. It includes a link to our knowledge base, which contains all essential information of TestMonitor's features, a link to the video tutorials with all the basics of using TestMonitor, and a link to the support form, which allows you to reach out to us with any questions you may have. They are waiting to help you. So, let's review a typical TestMonitor screen. Here, we use the test cases page to walk through the user interface elements. These elements are reused throughout TestMonitor and use the same behavior. The button that is featured prominently on the top right of the screen is the Add Test Case button. Click on the button and a pop-up will appear allowing you to add a test case. Required fields are denoted with an asterisk. When you've filled in these fields, the Save button will become available, allowing you to save the test case. You can use the Cancel button to close this pop-up. Sometimes, a form contains optional fields that are hidden by default. When you click on the plus symbol, these fields will appear. Another great tip: use the A or N hotkey to create a test case without ever touching your mouse. Next to the option to add a test case, you will also see 3 dots. The 3-dotted menu appears when additional actions are available, such as importing or exporting data. Next up is the Table Settings button to the right. This is where you can toggle visibility for each column. You can click on the column heading to sort by that particular column. Non-sortable columns are grayed out. On the left side of the screen, there's the Filter option. In its inactive state, the Filter button is white without any badges showing. This shows you that no filters are being applied. When you click on the Filter icon, the button will turn green and the Filter sidebar will appear. Again, a shortcut tip here. Use the F key to activate or deactivate your filter. If there are any filters active, you can easily reset them by hitting the R key. When the filter sidebar is visible, you'll notice another settings icon. Here, add extra filters or remove any active filters. A pro tip: When you're using a combination of filters, we recommend saving your filter using the Save Filter option. This allows you to quickly activate a predefined filter set. In the test case overview, you'll again see 3 dots, this time next to a test case. This 3-dot menu provides access to useful shortcuts, like moving a test case or cloning a test run. Right next to the 3-dotted menu, you will see an arrow. By clicking on the arrow, you will go to the detail page of the selected test case. You can also click on the TC code on the left to go to the same page. The detail page contains all the basic information of the test case you've opened. The detail page also allows you to make changes. If you want to update the test case name, simply click on the field value and make your desired changes. Once you've updated your name, you can click on the disk icon to save your changes. Click on the cross symbol to revert your change. On the detail page, you will also see a number of tabs that are relevant for the test case that you are showing. In this case, the linked requirements for a test case are shown in an individual tab. The top right of the detail page contains a series of actions available for this test case. These can either be represented by buttons, such as the Move and Clone button for a test case, or be included in a 3-dotted menu, such as the Delete action for test cases. If you choose to delete a test case, you will be notified of the possible consequences of the specific action with a warning. Suppose you delete a test case for which test results have been recorded. The associated test results will also be deleted, and this will affect the overall progress and test outcomes. To proceed with deleting the test cases, you will have to confirm by ticking the checkbox. During this video, I have already given some tips on keyboard shortcuts. For your convenience, here are all the keyboard shortcuts available in TestMonitor. Make sure to stay in touch and subscribe. Please consider hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and enabling notifications for future video updates. Thanks for watching this video. You are now familiar with the basic UI elements in TestMonitor. Missed anything? Feel free to re-watch any of the videos in this masterclass.